on the pimp gang. I said I feel sweet emotions.
Hey guys, it's Brie. Today's video is specifically dedicated to athletes like me and any of you guys out there who have a long weekend where maybe you have a tournament or a bunch of games back to back and your body just really aches. So today I'm going to be showing you some tips and ways to recover after you're exercising all weekend long. You guys saw my last video. You would know that I was training for Southern Regionals in North Carolina, and I just got back yesterday. I went with my club soccer team, Massive, and we ended up not moving on to nationals, but I scored in the last game. Since I just got back from North Carolina last night, today is my recovery day, and I'm taking you guys along with me so you can see kind of how I stretch, ice bath, proper nutrition, stuff like that. So let's get into it. So the first step for proper recovery for athletes is to stay hydrated. This morning I had some water and I can't go a day without coffee, so I also made myself coffee.
He then whipped out the British stream so beautifully. Fills quickly, he said, and it pours immediately. So he poured 2 glasses and we both said cheers.
Had a protein smoothie where I showed you guys over on my Instagram, and I made an Instagram poll and you decided whether or not I should put strawberries in my smoothie, so I ended up doing that because you guys voted for it. Alright, so now that you had a healthy breakfast and you're staying hydrated, it is time to stretch. So I have a yoga mat that I'm gonna lay out, and I'm just gonna do some basic stretching. And since I play soccer, it's mostly lower body stuff that I'm working on. So hamstring stretch, quads, IT bands, butt, all the good stuff. And I'm gonna stretch for probably about 10 to 15 minutes and hold each stretch for like 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, so now that you're all stretched out, now it's time to roll out.
Autobots, roll out. We roll.
I have a variety of rollers here, but my favorite one is the hand roller just because it's really easy to use. So say I have tight quads, I just basically like sit here and really roll them out like this. But you could also use like one of these 3 rollers. This one is my favorite next because you would just like lay it down like this and then get on your quad and like flatten it like that. You can use this roller if you have like a really deep, tight muscle, but say you have something like a knot somewhere, you can use something smaller, more specific for that area, so like a tennis ball or a squishy ball, whatever one feels the best. And then we also have these 2 bigger rollers. This one is kind of less painful than the big roller like this. So you can use that one, or you have this big giant one. You're trying to get a bigger area on your body. So say your back. It actually feels really good, even though my back's not really tight. Any of these rollers will be useful for whatever your needs are, wherever you're tight. Will help you kind of loosen those muscles out a little and give you a deep tissue massage. So I highly recommend rolling out after a long day of exercising or weekend, whatever. Perfect for all athletes. Alright, now we're here at 7-Eleven. Gotta get some ice for the ice bath. Gatorade. Blue is the best.
Hydration to help replace what you sweat out. Part of the G series.
Okay, we also need life water because it has added electrolytes. This is the good stuff. Okay, get this. Hopefully this doesn't melt before we get home. Okay, so we're currently filling up the tub with water. We have the ice right there. But a pro tip, make sure you wear socks or else your toes will freeze. And if you're a girl, don't just wear underwear, wear spandex, because your butt will freeze.
There's a big chunk in it.
It's so cold. It's so cold. Like it's so cold, and I know it's like gonna feel good in a little bit, but right now it hurts so bad. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're in here for 10 minutes and that you're just getting every body part that you used. I can't talk. See, like at this point, I'm just numb to it, and I don't even feel my legs. 10 minutes is up. Dante, I'm cold. I feel my feet. So Simi and I going to do a little pool recovery, swim around just to get the legs loose. Being in the pool and doing some small stretches with your legs and everything like that also will help you a lot. Stretch the quads a little bit, pull your leg up. Swim around, just kick the legs out. As funny as it looks, it's actually helping. I'm not kidding. You put one leg up and stretch out. Even though I'm surrounded by water and in water, it's important to keep staying hydrated throughout this whole recovery session. Perfect. But that pretty much sums it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the tips for recovering as an athlete. If you guys want to see maybe a pre-game routine, then I'll film that too. But make sure you check the description box for some of the products I showed in this video so you guys can get them too. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Harder for you to roll. I went to Southern Regionals with my team in North Carolina for Southern Regionals.
Great, you son of a biscuit.
This next stretch is for when your back is a little tight and you need a little relief. I think I might be too tall for this. Whoa! Oh wait, I'm not even strapped in all the way! Pull me up! Pull me up! Pull me up! Lady, I'm falling out! I'm falling! I'm falling! Okay, but really?
Go!
Relax! How am I supposed to know? I don't know if you started it. You're just looking at me like... It's not enough water. My quads are supposed to be covered.
What's time? How long?
10.
I just started a stopwatch.
Oh, I got some hot coffee to cool me off.
Pull me up! Pull me up! Pull me up! I'm dying! I'm literally falling out of it. I swear I'm gonna crack my head open. All the blood!
So how would you rate the faction run?